In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mass update in Zoho CRM. If you need to make the same change to multiple records at once, the mass update feature can save you a lot of time. Instead of opening each lead one by one and editing them manually, you can apply a single update across all the selected records in just a few clicks. This is especially useful when you want to standardize information, correct a shared field, or quickly update lead details in bulk. To get started, open your Zoho CRM account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're inside, go to the Leads section. This is where you'll see the list of lead records currently available in your CRM. At the top of the list, you'll find a checkbox that allows you to select all the visible records at once. Click that box to mark all of them. This is the quickest way to prepare multiple leads for a bulk action. If needed, take a quick moment before doing this to make sure you're in the correct view, so you're only updating the records you actually want to change. After selecting the records, look for the Mass Update option and click it. This will open the bulk editing tool, which lets you choose one field and apply a new value to that field across all the selected leads. It's a simple but powerful feature, so it's always a good idea to double-check your selection before continuing. Next, select the field you want to update. This could be something like lead status, source, industry, or another available field, depending on what you need to change. Once you choose the field, enter or select the new value you want applied to all the selected records. Then click Update. That's it. Zoho CRM will apply the change to all the records you selected, helping you complete in seconds what might otherwise take several minutes or more. As a final tip, it's always smart to review a few updated records afterward to confirm the change was applied correctly. That way, you can be confident your data is consistent and accurate, and that's how to mass update in Zoho CRM.